Customer feedback is vital to any business, but honest, actionable comments can be incredibly hard to collect. Macorva CX makes capturing customer responses quick and easy. Immediately after a retail, sales, service, or hospitality experience, your customers will get a text message with a link to a quick survey. Macorva surveys go beyond simple ratings to capture detailed experiences with just a few taps. Our single-tap attributes make it easy to collect actionable feedback for your locations and your associates without the need for free-form comments, giving you higher response rates and more consistent data. And with Macorva's powerful dashboards, the experience is just as straightforward for management. The Trends tab puts data from thousands of customer surveys at your fingertips, giving you a high-level view of your customers' experiences over time and by location in one simple report. My team instantly calls out the employees with the highest and lowest customer ratings at each location, as well as the average rating for each position. You can also see your highest and lowest rated locations, including each location's overall rating, how many surveys have been completed for that location, and its average employee rating. Clicking Customers shows you your happiest and least satisfied customers, so you know who to focus on when you're taking action to ensure repeat business. For a more detailed look at your customers' feedback, check out the Responses tab. You'll see a helpful word cloud of all open comments, or you can view every customer survey as soon as it is submitted. Finally, the Surveys tab makes deploying new surveys quick and easy, or you can use our simple API to integrate with your POS or ERP system. And employees can access their personalized dashboard via email or text message with no login required to see their rating trends, which attributes customers leave for them, and how often they get higher than average ratings. Macorva is a powerful tool that goes beyond simple comment cards to give you actionable customer feedback and employee ratings, along with the full data to back it up. Listen directly to your customers. Try Macorva today.